complete the table of values for y equals, I'm just going to write this out in big over the side, y equals x squared plus 2x plus 1. So start from the positive end, and going to take a lot of work in this one. So we're doing 3 first, so it's going to be y equals 3 squared plus 2 times 3 plus 1. Indices first, 9, then your multiplication, 2 times 3 is 6, and finally your addition, so that's going to be 16. Now we're going to put in 2, so it's y equals 2 squared plus 2 times 2 plus 1. Indices first is 4, then your multiplication, 2 times 2 is 4, then plus 1, which is 9. Now we're putting in 1, y equals 1 squared plus 2 times 1 plus 1. Indices first is 1, multiplication, 2 times 1 is 2, and then add 1 is 4. And now we're on to the 0. Y equals 0 squared plus 2 times 0 plus 1. 0 squared is 0, 2 times 0 is 0, plus 1 is 1. I have to do some moving up here, 2 seconds. There we go. So now I'm looking at minus 1. Minus 1. So we've got y equals minus 1, I'm going to put that in brackets, squared. I'll just scroll down so you can see the equation again. Plus 2x. So plus 2 times minus 1 plus 1. Minus 1 squared is 1. Positive 2 times negative 1 is negative 2. And then plus 1. So we've got 1, take away 2 is minus 1, add 1 is 0. Then I'm substituting in negative 2. So if I do that over here, I've got y equals negative 2 squared plus 2 times negative 2 plus 1. Negative 2 squared is 4. 2 times negative 2 is minus 4. Add 1. 4 take away 4 is 0. Add 1 is 1. So you can see some reflection here. So it should be that the next answer is 4 if it's starting to go back on itself. Let's just check that. So I'm going to have to scroll down for this. So we're doing minus 3 now. So it's y equals minus 3 squared plus 2 times minus 3 plus 1. Minus 3 squared is 9. Positive 2 times negative 3 is negative 6. Add 1. 9 take away 6 is 3. Add 1 is 4. Let's scroll up, check that fits the pattern. Yes, it does. So that's 4. So now I just need to plot it. So I've got 316, 29, 14, 0, 1, minus 1, 0, minus 2, 1, and minus 3, 4. And again, my nice smooth curve.